That's what he's chewing on. I can't move my hand.
Hey, man. He's so little.
Wait it.
Hey, baby.
Benny. Benny. Green light. Green light. Green light.
Little boy. Hi, precious angel. Benny. 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 Because that's my name, yes. Benny. Hello. You want him? Oh my goodness. It's too close. Too close. Too close. Oh my goodness. Benny. Benny Castiel Lafayette, or Theodore Lafayette, Philip Blake, Pandy Parkbeak.
Have a conversation about this, Benny. You can't walk yourself. That's not how this works.
You can't walk yourself, Benny.
That's not how this works.
I walk myself. I do it myself.
Benjamin.
Benny, what are you doing, son? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? You're under my leg. No, don't chew on that, honey. No, sir. He's the size of my foot. Like, he doesn't look that small on camera, but he's really small. Benny, you like shoelaces, huh? No, sir. Benny, let me see your face. Come here. Let me see your pretty face. Benjamin. Hey, Benny. No. Hi, son. What are you doing? Hi. She's like, hi, Mom. I want the toys. No, you can't have those. We got Benny a chew. So now he can keep himself occupied and not chew on everything else. Like he was trying to chew on Allison's books and stuff. Benny, you like your little chicken flavored chew? Mmm, yummy, huh? Yummy.